The murmurs of, is AI going to replace us as physicians, as radiologists, as other, and what are your thoughts?
So there are certainly quite a few individuals who seem to be making a name for themselves on the speaking circuit by saying that a variety of specialties in medicine are going to go out of business as a result of AI. Some have gone so far as to saying we should stop training radiologists. I certainly don't believe that that's the case. I actually believe that AI is going to make us better at what we do. If you look at places where AI has been used outside of medicine, that's often the case. I think it's better to think of it more as augmenting human intelligence than replacing it. A colleague of mine who works in this space in radiology has said that AI isn't going to be replacing radiologists, but the radiologist who uses AI will very likely replace the radiologist who doesn't.
Oh, that's interesting.
That is interesting. It's good to know there are systematic processes in place, it sounds like, to address some biases up front, and there is mechanisms in place to augment the work that we do. Because I feel like in my experience as an internist, the way I've seen it help me is the detailed reporting that we see on lung nodules, for example. And I bet there are algorithms that can quickly generate reports about frequency of screening. Because it's pattern recognition,
Yes, it's
right?
pattern recognition, standards-based.
Right.
Yes, so it should simplify that.
It simplify and kind of help with time management.
And mundane